Hi dolls, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, thank you so much for tuning in. You do not understand how much that means to me for you to be here watching this video. So typically I always start off with my eyebrows already filled in. So this time around I decided to just get completely ready with you guys on camera. So I'm gonna attempt to do my eyebrows so you guys can see how I get them done. And if you see me not focusing a lot like on the camera or looking that way, or if I'm just like very concentrated, it's just because I'm trying to get used to it. I'm new to like getting ready on camera, you know, and being able to like focus on both things at the same time. I don't want to like end up looking a mess. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and get completely ready with you guys on camera, including eyebrows. And once again, I'm so sorry if I'm not focusing directly on you guys, but I'm gonna try to be paying attention to what I'm creating on my face as well. And the whole point is for you guys to get to see how I really get ready, like how I realistically would get ready without a camera being in my face or anything. Let's get ready how girls typically get ready in a regular life. Okay, so let's begin by getting our pelitos out of the way. Let's make sure that we remove all our hair. ¿Saben qué? Se me hace que I'm gonna put bobby pins just to make sure that my hair doesn't get in my face. And if you guys hear the helicopter, I don't know, they're probably looking for somebody or something. They're probably looking for someone, or someone is hiding from them. Well, no shit, huh? If they're looking for someone, it's obviously because they're hiding from them. So I'm so sorry if you guys hear it. I'm gonna like pretty much on most of the parts where like I'm getting ready, I'll mute the sound and just speed it up. So hopefully it doesn't pop out in many clips like as I'm talking, or yeah, that part. Alright, so I went ahead and moved my pelitos out the way the best way I can right now, because I'm too lazy to get up for a liga and I don't have one right here. So I used what I had in my presence, which was 2 bobby pins. So to start, my first step is priming my face. That's when I'll go in with my primer. So in my previous video, I went ahead and I used these oil hydrating drops as primer. It's a primer oil with a glow tint to it. Does that see how that one looks better? So I'm pretty much done with my eyebrows and priming my eyes. I'm gonna apply the color Canvas all over my lid just to make sure I set the concealer. Our eyelids are set already. Let's go ahead and move on to the eyeshadow. We're gonna go ahead and use this brush right here, and this is the Morphe M433. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with yellow. Y'all know that in my last video, I was actually having troubles with the yellow, like. Let me go ahead and just pat it on and apply it on there. Oh yeah, I packed it on, but it's still creasing. Now we're gonna go into color 518, and that's like an orange. And we're doing the same thing, packing it on. Now we're gonna go ahead and move into this red that we have right here in the James Charles palette, and that is You're Kidding. I'm just applying like the red right here. Let's go ahead and grab that brush that we were using for our orange, and we're gonna dig back into that 518, and we're gonna like just try to get it in the crease. I'm just gonna go ahead and add a touch of yellow to the top area because I feel like the yellow is like very diffused. So I want to go into that red again, that red color, and add a little more. Just like pat it in, just so it can look a bit more pigmented. I'm gonna go into the color above You're Just Kidding Me, and that is Rusted. And that color, I'm gonna apply it to like the center of my lid. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and I finished the one eye because my freaking camera kept fucking up on me. Excuse my language, but it did. So in that process, I said, what the heck, let me just go ahead and finish one eye so I can show you guys what the finished look looks like. And so far, this is what we got. I am still going to add a dash of yellow to my inner corners, and then some shimmer on top of it. Or I'll probably just do the shimmer yellow. No, I'm trying to just use this palette for like every color I'm using. So I'm just going to add a dash of yellow to my inner corner and a bit of shimmer. I'm going to go ahead and finish this eye up now, so let's continue on. This Morphe brush right here, and this is a Morphe B72. I'm gonna go into Canvas, and that's like the skin color nude, and we're just gonna like apply a bit right here to where we're gonna highlight. We're gonna go into the color Sister, and that's the color that we're using today for like our highlight. Now let's go ahead and apply a bit of mascara. For mascara, I do use the Voluminous Lash Paradise from L'Oreal, and it's like pretty much a dupe for the Better Than Sex mascara, which that's like my top favorite mascaras of them all. Now let me go ahead and quickly apply my lash, and then once I'm back I'll let you guys know what lashes we're using. Okay, so we are practically done with our eyes. Yes, finally. You guys don't know how much I struggle to put on this lash right now. But you know what? I think it's the glue that I used. I used this adhesive that came with like my Halloween makeup that I had bought just to give it a try because it's a very stinky glue, and I thought maybe this one sticks more than my dual one that I usually use, but I actually struggled a little bit more. So anyways, so for lashes today we are wearing Trophy Wife, and these are from Icon. Like, I don't even get tired of telling you guys how much I love their lashes, although I'm still like, you know, a big fan of my Wish lashes because that's where the discounts are really at. No, but these are freaking amazing. The good thing about Icon lashes is that they do last me longer than the other ones, you know. Of course, like, those are not, you're not going to be able to give them as many wears as I could these, I guess, or I don't know. I'm testing that out because I just got those Wish lashes. So far, this is like the 10th wear I give these lashes, and I'm not gonna lie, they've like held on. So let's go ahead and now move on to the rest of our face. Since we went ahead and applied our primer in the beginning of our look, we're gonna go ahead and use some Professional to mattify certain areas we don't want to glowy. And I don't really apply a lot of the Professional. I just apply it to where I feel I have like more pores. Okay. Let's let that sink in for a couple of minutes. So I went ahead and I applied my foundation on my hand. I'm just gonna go ahead and dump in my beauty blender there and start applying it to my face. Next, let's go ahead and go in with our concealer. And for concealer, I'm just going to use the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. And in this concealer, a medium 26. Same beauty blender. Let's damp it a little more. Now let's go ahead and blend. Now that we're done with our foundation and applying our highlighter, now let's go ahead and set the areas that we do not want to crease and begin contouring. To contour, we're going to go ahead and use our cream kit from Anastasia, and this one's in the color Light. And I've been using this one and this one the most. I'm going to go ahead and grab... Do they look uneven? I'm gonna go ahead and grab this right here and start blending this. I don't put a lot on my forehead forehead because as it is, I already have a small one. I don't even know why I contour my forehead. Now I'm gonna go over the cream contour with some powder contour just to make sure that it stays in place. Okay, so I already went ahead and I put my powder contour on top of my cream contour. We did our nose and now we're baking. So I'm just gonna let the bake sit on my face for a couple of minutes and then we're gonna go ahead and dust it off and continue with our lower eye. No, wait. Did that even make sense? And continue with our lower lash line. I'm gonna probably just let this sit for like a little bit longer. So let's go ahead and grab the brush that we were using to use for our inner eye. We're gonna wet it a bit. And we're gonna add more of that yellow just to intensify it. Now we're gonna go ahead and grab this brush that we were using for like the center of the eye and we're just gonna apply the red and then the russet color as well. We're gonna grab this brush, dip it in some red, and apply it to our lower lash line. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and grab like a clean brush and dust off below that. And let's go ahead and dust off the rest of our baking powder. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and apply our blush. And for blush, I'm using my Estee Lauder blush and it's in the color, I don't know if it's called Pure Color Blush. And it's in the color Shimmer. Okay, now that we went ahead and applied our blush, we're going to go ahead and apply our highlight. For highlighter today, we're going to be using Becca, and this one is and this one's Opal. So we're practically done with our makeup. Let's just go ahead and set our face now. And I'll be right back with my hair fixed and all. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching me create this look for you guys. If you did, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and leave me any comments you may have for me down below. And I'll make sure to get to all of your comments. And I know I didn't apply my lipstick on camera, so the color that I did use on my lips is like an orangey color from ColourPop, and it is in the color I Am Bad Atcha. And it's this one, and it's this lippy right here. I did went ahead and I topped it with red eyeshadow with one of my Morphe brushes. Okay. I went ahead and I used this brush and I topped it with Just Kidding red. But let me know what you guys thought of this look down below. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.